This is the Versace V Pop Watch, and this is not the backdrop I'm going to be using for all my future videos. Don't worry, this is super temporary. I wanted to make this video because it's a really affordable Versace watch. Okay, all those words have to be used in the same sentence now. Because if you were to get like another Versace watch, just like your average one, you would be paying about at least $1,300 probably. This one was $647. So maybe 48, 47, 48. I'll show the receipt. But it is definitely on their more affordable line of watches. It's not made out of any like metals or gold or anything like that. It's made out of silicone. It does have gold hardware on it, but we'll get into that soon. Let me show you the bag. Bag is a thick paper with the raised gold Versace lettering and the newer branding. And then inside is the box, also in a really nice, I believe this is cardboard, textured raised lettering. The box, not the case, the box. We'll get to the case in a second. We also got the envelope for the receipt, also in a really nice heavy duty paper, cardboard feeling, but textured, really nice to the feel, raised lettering as well. Inside I have the receipt, where I spent $647 on this watch. Ugh. Was it worth it? Well, tell you what, if I'm going to spend that much, I'm going to keep this security thing. Definitely keeping anything when I buy a watch, or anything more than like $400. No, more than 300, honestly. Anyway, here is the box. Open the box, and you get nothing. I'm just kidding. This is the actual watch case. The watch case will come in a box just like this. You take it out, you get your silicone gel, you get your warning labels and warranty information. Inside of this nice hard paper booklet is some of your warranty and care. And then on the very last page is your authenticity card. Really heavy duty, just nice feeling card. Feels nicer than most credit cards. And on the back of it is a QR code. You scan it and you can make sure that your watch is authentic. All right, so we got all that out the way. Onto the case. The case is entirely made of silicone, and I believe it's only the V Pop watches that come in this silicone case. The case itself is really cool to look at. At the top is a zipper, and it is stitched around the edge of the zipper. Has a loop on it as well, with the I believe the Greca design on the loop. What I like to do with this loop, I have the Yeezy Gap crossbody bag, and that has a buckle, and I like to put the strap through the loop here and just use this as a charm. If I'm not doing that, then I just have it sitting on my speakers as a showpiece, basically. Zipper is really smooth. You unzip it, and you get nothing. I'm just kidding. The watch comes wrapped around this styrofoam thing right here. I have an air tag in it for some reason. When you take it out, you're presented with watch, and the watch comes with this plastic over the face of it. You peel that off, and boom, this is your Versace V Pop watch that you spent $600 for. So this car payment, entirely made out of silicone, like I said, has a couple of security straps right here. All the hardware is gold plated, IPG something. I'll put it on screen. But the crown is has really nice feedback to it. The sapphire, crystal, glass, whatever, is really clear, really nice. However, there was a divot right in the middle, directly in the middle of it. And I don't believe that's something that you're supposed to see. So I got this in store. I told my Versace Phipps Plaza staff about it, and they said that they would send it to an expert, the pictures to an expert, and see if there was anything wrong with it. It's been a month, and I haven't heard anything back. So when I get time, I'll have to follow up and see what's going on there. But Greca design around the straps, really nice. On the back of it, you have that amazing backplate with the Versace logo and the Swiss made, your water information, depth information, and some other stuff. You got the logo on the back of the strap right there as well. And then you have stainless steel and the Versace logo right there in the buckle too. So, oh yeah, also, I'm going to leave a clip. This does glow in the dark. If you're outside and you go inside somewhere dark, it all glows green and you can still tell time. But anyway, how has this thing been on a daily basis? I do wear this daily. I wear this as much as I possibly can, and I don't really think twice about it. It's really comfortable to wear. I mean, you can see about the size of my wrist. I'm not going to measure anything, but I mean, just throw it on just like so. I put it on the 4th setting for my case, but you got plenty more if you have a huge wrist. And loop it, lock it in on that first one, and then spread it out in the second, and boom, just like so. But yeah, I wear this daily. I like the silicone because then yeah, I feel better about wearing this when I'm skateboarding. I don't feel like I'm gonna break anything if I fall, other than the glass. But I've worn Apple Watches while skateboarding, and I've never cracked that, even when I fell. So I'm not too worried about this either. But I like it because I feel like I can beat it up and just go wherever I want with it. I've taken it to off-road tracks and off-road ovals where there's like dust flying everywhere and it's never gotten like clogged up or dirty at all. If it does get dirty, just a microfiber towel and some water and I'm all good. How about other people? What do they think about it? I've gotten compliments on this thing many times. Like people do recognize the logo and they're like, "Whoa, that's a Versace watch! Like, where do you get it from? How's it feel? How much you pay for it?" And I mean, like, yeah, this car payment on my wrist, it will definitely get attention. So if that's something you want, then you can totally do it. But would I have gotten a different watch? I think when I was first buying this, I only wanted to budget for what I paid for this. Now that I have this though, spending 1,300 or spending 1,200 on a watch, which would be maybe $400 more, maybe $500 more to get like the leather, to get the brushed metal, and still have that Medusa logo at the middle of it. It's not as hard of a decision to make now, only after I purchased this. And I mean, the fact that I had the means to spend this much on this type of watch, period, it felt like a harder decision than it really is for my situation. So I feel like I understand why people now collect watches. They get one and then it's kind of a snowball effect. Then they want to get another one that kind of matches it, or they want another one that has like same color, same style, but they want to spend a lot to get like a quality collection rather than just one watch. Because I get this thing and I'm like, dang, this is cool, but like I kind of want another one. I kind of want just like a whole collection of them, not all at once, but just kind of like buy one, feel it out, and then see like, okay, is this something that's really adding value to my day? And in all honesty, in my case, yeah, I've always wanted this colorway. I've always wanted the logo in the middle, and I wanted it to be black and white. There's another one that's out that's brushed aluminum with the black leather band, and but it still has gold on it too that I really like. Costs a little bit more, like 900 and something, but I mean, in a couple of paychecks, I may actually go and get that. But I mean, just wearing it out and wearing it while I skate, while I'm going to a car show, or just daily, like at the office, um, when I'm going out to get something to eat. Like it's just something really neat and cool to look at. And it's like I worked hard for this. I worked hard for this, and I've been wanting this kind of colorway, this kind of style. And I think it's just that when Versace introduced this price point for this style of watch, I saw the opportunity. And I was like, okay, I got to take that opportunity to get something I want. Like I did want this. I mean, yeah, it would have been nice to have like the leather and all that, but that can come in the future. I got it now in on my wrist. I like it, and I could see myself getting more like it. Um, yeah, like I said, in the near future. So it's been a really nice watch, really comfortable to wear. It cleans up pretty easy because it is silicone. You will get your gunk in like the slots right here. I mean, that's just a given. We're humans, so that will happen. I am worried about the silicone kind of fading out in the future, but hopefully that is later than sooner. We'll just see how long it lasts. But I've had this thing for about 2 months now and have had no issues. The battery's been fine. The movement's been super accurate, and I mean it's just a nice, cheap Swiss Versace watch. So anyway, that's all I really got to say about this thing. This is the Versace V Pop watch. Thanks for watching as always, and more soon.